Hey Pisces, so this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well.
Commitment is coming in. There's somebody coming in that is going to, you guys are just going to go far, right? They can see you. It's like, I'm getting tongue-tied. Y'all sorry, bear with me, it's Mercury retrograde. So I'm feeling like Spirit is saying just, you had to release yourself from whatever situation this is over here, because there's somebody else coming in, but they need you to make the effort. You know, they don't want you to keep like being sad or staying stuck at home, or, you know, feeling like everybody, trying not to curse, ain't you know what, but it's just like they want you to heal, continue healing, and put yourself out there. But a lot of you guys were definitely deceived in the past, and this is why a lot of you now have trust issues. I mean, let's just put it out there. There's some serious trust issues that you guys have when it comes to love relationships, even family, friends. It's like you guys were really hurt. But if you want attraction, if you want that person to come in your life, attraction, all of that, you're trying to attract this person, you have to heal and put yourself out there. Now, for others of you, okay? My Pisces, I feel like there's somebody that you guys were dealing with, right? And this is actually, I feel like, the person for you. I know, you wanted somebody new, but you know I'm not gonna lie to y'all, okay? So this person could have like left you hanging, left you out in the cold, and I do feel like they're trying to free themselves from a situation. So it could have been a family situation that they put themselves in, whether they have a child or children with someone else. It could be a situation to where they're codependent to a family member, like always helping someone out, or there's a family member always in their ear stirring up some type of drama. For others of you, there could have just been childhood trauma that they need to heal from. But whatever it is, they're trying to free themselves from that, and they're hoping that you're staying optimistic about being with them, because this person wants to commit to you. I actually feel like this person, they're in their mind playing with the idea of, you know, how to propose to you, because they see that happening. They want that to happen. But Spirit is saying they need to make the effort to come towards you to speak their truth. But see, they're stalling because they deceived you in the past, and this person is hiding what it is that they really want, how they're truly feeling, because in your mind, you're probably like, this person doesn't care about me. They moved on. They chose friends, family, or love interest over me, you know, whatever. But that's not the case. Like, this person wants you, they want you bad, okay? But they know that they broke your trust. So I want you to know that this person is very much so still attracted to you, and they are going to come back, but they need to get out of something. Let's see, as soon as I saw that, said that, I saw the devil, and the first thing I heard was toxic. They're in some type of toxic situation right now. So let's just jump in. Let's just see which way this is going to play out. Alright, guys. Bottom of the deck, I have the King of Cups. So, who had this? Was it Scorpio? I wonder if some of y'all dealing with a Scorpio. But either which way, somebody's dealing with a water sign, another Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This is either you or this person, or it could be both of you guys. I do feel like somebody's hurting right now. Somebody's definitely upset. There's a fire sign here, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius that you guys could be dealing with. But I'm going to be honest with you. Remember, I've been telling you this person's trying to free themselves from a situation or a person. I'm picking up, I feel like this is their person. So this could be like a mother figure, or this is like a love interest that's a fire sign, could have fire in their chart. Tell me more. Because, yeah, this is why they stabbed you in the back. This is why you feel betrayed by this person. Cross-watcher, you could be feeling this way if you dealt with the Pisces, but they're hoping that you can forgive them. And see, they made a decision. What's their decision, Spirit? They're sad, but they're just not saying anything to you. Some of you guys are definitely dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Look at that. See? Two people. Y'all see I have the King of Pentacles here? There's two people. Could be, y'all know how I feel about court cards. You're seeing two men, it could be two women. There was definitely two people. I told y'all there was an interference here. Somebody could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But this is why this person's having a hard time coming back towards you, because they got to free themselves from this person, whoever they're dealing with. There's a Capricorn right here. So again, I'm telling y'all, I don't like this energy. But the fact that what caught my eye before I even saw these two, they were in some type of controlling situation. That's why I said I felt like it was toxic. Somebody is very controlling, but you see the devil came out reverse, which is letting me know this person is walking away. They're going to leave whoever was interfering here. But this is what caused you two not to have stability with what you guys were trying to have going on moving forward. See, justice. I feel like your justice was served. Some of you guys could have been dealing with a Libra. Clarify justice. Now this person is stuck. They're trying to make a decision. Clarify. Yeah, see, there's codependency. So somebody, I'm not even going to say it. There could be a legal situation going on. Maybe their business deal or some type of contract. This is why they're feeling stuck. Even though they're going to leave, but there's definitely codependency in their situation. And see, this is why they're not confident with coming back towards you, but they know that they owe you an apology, Pisces. See, there you are, because they hurt you. They hurt you. Telling y'all somebody's dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. Tell me more. Yep, look, they were being sneaky. This person that you were dealing with was very sneaky. And that's why you had to cut them off. You had to. Somebody's dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. But I feel like this person knows the truth about you. Yep. And I do feel like, I'm telling y'all, they're keeping an eye on you guys. Not in like a creepy stalker way, even though they are low-key, but high-key stalking y'all. I feel like they're watching you because they're trying to see if you moved on. They're trying to see if you're talking to someone else. Because right now, they're not talking to you. They're not saying anything. For majority of you that I'm picking up on. Tell me more. I'm telling y'all because of what they did in the past. They don't even know what to say to you. See, look at that. There's definitely a family. Why am I'm picking this up heavy? I saw this in Scorpio. Yeah, I just did Scorpio and Gemini, and I'm seeing it with y'all too. I don't know what's going on in the month of November so far, because y'all are the first 3 signs, but there is some type of family situation going on. I keep seeing it. I don't know if you guys have a family, or they have a family with someone else, or it's just their family interfering. I'm telling y'all, it's something like that going on, and this is why this person feels like they're not going to be able to turn things around with you. So maybe this person in the past was being a player, but I do feel like they want to rush in and say something to you, but they're hoping that you're not upset with them anymore. Because look, they're making plans. They're making plans because they do want to have a new opportunity with you, Pisces. Tell me more. Because they do want things to improve with you, but they're afraid that you don't want to build with them anymore. They're afraid that you're not going to accept the Ace of Cups from them. That's why they're not putting in the work. That's why you're not hearing from them. That's why they're not really saying anything. They're scared. We're going to call it spade a spade. They're scared. See, back and forth with the Two of Cups, the way that just came out, I'm telling y'all, they want to have a commitment with you. They want a relationship with you. They want to basically have that reconciliation, but they're afraid you're not going to take them back. And see, look, some type of truth came out. This could be them coming back to speak their truth to you. Yep. Yeah, see, I'm telling y'all, they want to be with you. They know if they want to have the Two of Cups with you, they got to come back and tell you everything that took place. But the thing is, they're afraid you're not going to want to be with them. They're afraid that everything that you guys have talked about in the past is done. But see, I still see communication coming in. They're still going to reach out to you, even though they're feeling this way. They're just taking their time to do it because, see, they feel like they lost you for good, and this is why they're frustrated. Look at that. See, they're battling themselves. I don't know why I'm hearing this. I feel like, okay, let me tell y'all this. Because for some of you guys, I told y'all I feel like this is the person that you're going to end up being with. This is your person. But I have to give a warning to some of y'all out there listening to this that, you're manifesting someone new. And it's like the person that you were dealing with that was just like a hell no, right? So, it's a warning. Because we're in Mercury retrograde, a lot of y'all already know people from the past, they're getting ready to start coming back. So, this is going to be a test for a lot of you. I feel like the ones that this is your person, don't listen to me right now. Just don't listen to this. But for others of you, this is going to be a test. And Spirit is saying you already know what you got to do. You walked away. Keep it moving. Don't even entertain them. Because then you're going to go through another cycle. Now, for those of you that this is your person, if they do come back during the retrograde, because I see that they're a little iffy with doing it, if they do come back, you guys know you can't just jump right back in, even though you really miss this person. They're going to have to put in the work, okay? That guard, it needs to be up. Not trying to be funny, because they have a lot of proving to you, okay? So I'm not sitting here saying shut them down if you really want to be with this person, but you went through all of this for a reason. This was a lesson for you too. So take what you learn and apply it. So match their effort. What they're giving to you, give it back. Don't be so quick to, as soon as you hear from them, you're getting all excited because you missed them. And now you're the main one once again, reaching out, doing this, making plans, talking. No, they have to do that. But see, anyway, back to what I was saying. This person is battling themselves because, yeah, they did leave you out in the cold. This is why they feel like they lost you for good. They're hoping that you can forgive them, but see, right now, they just don't have the strength to say anything. They don't have the strength to come back towards you. But see, they do want to give you an offer. Tell me more. They just don't have any hope that you're going to take it. They feel like you haven't healed from what they did to you in the past. But see, this person, they learned their lesson and they want to move forward with you. That's what I'm telling y'all. I'm really more so picking up the person that Pisces you're supposed to be with. They've been going through lessons, and that's why it's like I'm seeing that they want to come back to reconcile with you. They're serious this time. But, keep your eyes open. Listen to your intuition. Because they got to put in some work. Tell me more. Yeah. I'm telling you, there's communication. They want to let you know that they want to have a new opportunity with you. Because it's like you make them happy. Clarify the sun. Tell me about the Ten of Pentacles reverse. Hold on, y'all. Some of them, they're not content with how they left things with you. Spirit is saying that they're not using their intuition. They're not using their intuition at all. Look at that. See, even the Magician's reverse. They're not positive that they're going to be able to have you back. Tell me more. But they want to have this new beginning with you. But they're afraid that things aren't going to improve because of what they did. Back and forth with the moon. Pisces. You could be dealing with another Pisces. But I'm telling you, this person wants to speak their truth to you. They're scared. It's like 1 minute they're listening to their intuition and the next minute they're not. 1 minute they're ready to speak their truth to you and tell you what happened, how they're thinking and feeling, their plans, but the next minute they're not. See, this person in the past, they were moving really slow with you. Now, I'm telling y'all, they don't want to move slow with you. They want to pick things up. They want to move forward with you, get things started because, look, they don't want you to walk away from them. Look at that. So they're clearing away obstacles in order to take a leap to be with you, Pisces. Okay? Somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. But I feel like this person is definitely making some changes here. They're going through a transformation. And see, they already know. Them coming towards you to give you this offer is going to cause a lot of conflict with other people, whether it's friends, family, love interest. But it's just to the point where, honestly, they don't even care. Like, it's like you make them really happy, okay? But this person is still, I feel like they're fighting themselves. It's this energy I'm picking up on. Tell me more. What just fell out? Yeah, see, they're frustrated. I told you, they're fighting themselves because they're frustrated that they've been having you basically waiting for them.